How to log in into Walmart MasterCard account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Walmart MasterCard account login. Wait for a while for it to load. You will be landing on this page. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first one. You will be landing on the official page. In here, you simply have to enter the username of your account and then enter the password that you have created before. In case if you don't remember your password or username, then you can click on Forgot Password and Recover Username, and then follow the on-screen process and you'll be able to recover your password or the username. So once you have entered the login credentials, tap on Sign In and you'll be successfully signed in to your specific account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Walmart MasterCard account online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.